Your air conditioning system is filled with refrigerant gas to cool the air inside your vehicle. Aircon systems also remove moisture from the air being blown into the cabin in order to demist your windscreen more effectively, so this system needs to work correctly year-round, not just on hot days. Studies show that the air conditioning system can lose a small amount of refrigerant gas each year and requires regular servicing to work efficiently and effectively. Although the system will continue to cool the inside of the car as the gas level decreases, the compressor, which is the heart of the system, has to work much harder to achieve that cooling effect. This accelerates part wear and uses more fuel to run the system. The aircon system is lubricated by a special oil that circulates through the system with the refrigerant gas. As the gas level decreases, critical components such as the compressor don't get lubricated correctly, leading to potentially expensive repairs. During our air conditioning service, we drain and recharge the system, removing any old refrigerant gas from your aircon system. We then recharge the air conditioning system with the correct amount of new refrigerant and oil to keep your vehicle cool without using extra fuel.